Okay, so today Mr. Lizard here are going to, well, actually tonight, whatever, but we're going to try to show you how to swap out an iPhone battery. So first we start out with removing these screws right here on the bottom. So let's figure out how to prop this thing up here. Will you set? Will you stay? Do something. Stay there. Phone, please. Okay, there we go. Okay, both of those screws removed. I think it slides up. This back plate slides up. Pop it off. The battery is connected right there. I think it normally has a screw right there and right there. So remove those. There, pop that off. That is the battery. See, it's kind of glued in there. Take out the battery and just swap in another one. Pop it back in there. Let's see here. Boom shakalaka. That's back in. And normally it's supposed to have two screws, one right there and one right there. Put the back part back on. Slide it back on where it's supposed to go. And put these little teeny tiny screws back in the bottom. And that is seriously all that there is to it. No joke. So, he Mr. Lizard. He's like, yeah, screw you. I'm gonna try to eat these puzzle pieces.
Why don't you tell him what kind
No.
of lizard